Hello everyone, you are watching Learn Easy with us. We provide educational and training videos every day. To stay updated with our latest content, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below after watching the video. Without any delay, let's get started. Ready? Let's dive into today's topic.
Now let's talk about comparative prompting. And this is pretty interesting. So comparative prompting highlights the key similarities and differences across various factors which can help you make more informed decisions and gain a deeper understanding of the strengths and weaknesses of two different options. So the formula for this is please compare and contrast the following text examples. I want you to outline the similarities, differences, qualitative characteristics, quantitative factors, functionality, impact, key takeaways, and other important factors into one single table. Now, you don't need to have all of these different factors, but these are a great starting point because it's going to break your answer down into a really great depth of information or outline. And to finish the prompt, here are the two pieces of content that I'd like for you to outline. So we have content 1 and content 2. For our two examples, we have the business and design philosophy of Apple and Microsoft. And example number 2 is investing in real estate versus investing in cryptocurrency. So let's take our prompt formula and let's put in our first example. So we want to know the key differences and similarities between the design philosophy and business of Apple and Microsoft. And because we asked ChatGPT to put everything into one table, aka tabular format, here we have a list of the similarities between the two, the differences, qualitative characteristics, quantitative factors, functionality, impact, and key takeaways. Now, this is a lot of information that we can easily digest because of the way it's formatted. Let's now do our second option or our second example. So we want to learn more about the similarities and differences of investing in real estate versus cryptocurrency. Perfect. So we have our key differences and similarities outlined in this table format. So if you, for example, were wanting to invest money and you couldn't decide between real estate or crypto, asking ChatGPT to outline a table like this can really help you to make more informed decisions in your daily.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please leave your thoughts below so we can discuss more about the topic. If you'd like to suggest a video that could help the community, feel free to message me on X or Instagram. We also share short videos on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and might even create a video based on your suggestion. Thanks again for being part of our community. See you in the next video.